Hello friends, very good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. Myself Bala here. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. And if you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe the channel. In this video, I am going to discuss about one of the new indicator. So I searched a lot from this, and ADR, average daily range, is an indicator that was working good for an intraday trading. So I'm trying to find out some trade opportunities by using this indicator, and also I'm going to planning to create this indicator on charting. So maybe if you are creating this indicator in charting, that was working good, and we can easily find out those stock which forming a such a pattern, which breaking that ADR range or lower range or a higher range. So this indicator was good, and it is shared by one of my student. His name is around Thirumal. Okay, so he was sharing this indicator, and it looks like I'm watching this indicator for last 2 days. That was showing you some good trend reversal as well as breakout range that was working better. So it consists of 2 or 3 levels, and in this case, I find I'm taking only 2 levels of ADR 10 and ADR 5 in a higher level, as well as ADR 10 and ADR 5 lower level. So this indicator also shared by my friend that is who attend my classes. I already told in Thirumal. So here, a lot of times the rejection and also breakout which is happening on this range. So that I noticed if I'm tracking this last 2 days. So look at the some rejection from that area, and it was giving to a good drop, and again there is a rejection, and here it is not touching the level, and here today is also be some good rejection from that level of ADR low. There is a reversal point that is also working well, and breakout something like if it is breaks that level, and that is also working good. You can look at this, there is a breakout and there is a good move, and again there is a breakout and moves, and here some rejection. This is about I'm looking on Nifty, that was giving you such a good result. And Bank Nifty, uh, I'm just going to test it now. Bank Nifty, that is also giving you a steady breakout, and today it doesn't move more than the breakout level. So here it's about a breakdown in such a good move, and some rejection at this point. So we need to know how to use it. So once we know, I'm searching a lot of websites and articles, but I can't find out something good about this indicator. But I just reading that indicator that was working fine for a breakout kind of trade, or even that is intraday trade, right? So I'm not looking at positional. I'm just looking for an intraday. So I watched some of the stocks today is about Adani Enterprise and Hindustan Petroleum based on this, and it is available on TradingView. So this is not my code, and it is shared by one of my friends. So what I'm looking here, so always we are planning with the charting scanners, but I'm trying it. So it is a very complex code. So I'm trying to decode this code on our charting indicator. So because charting scanner will help you to find out easiest way to find the stocks. So in this case today I seen this is what a first 15 minutes bar. So this is my plan is about on the first 15 minutes bar that is closed above to that ADR 5 or ADR 10, whichever is higher, ADR 5 or ADR 10. So whichever is higher, that if it is closed, there is a good move. So maybe this stock will perform very well today. In Adani Enterprise, I think yesterday, I think BHEL, the same pattern which I'm looking for an intraday trade, it closed above the level, and after that it was giving you such a good move in BHEL yesterday, and some rejection also happened and breakdown. Here is the breakdown, and it is keep moves down, and here is the breakout, but most probably the first candle breakout should be more powerful. So Hindustan Petroleum, so in the Petro, this one I'm looking for at this point, but it is not happening in the first candle, but sometimes it is going to break that level, and after that I'm tracking that. So here is the rejection, here is the breakout, and here again today I'm looking for a breakout. So here I just used two indicators. So one more indicator, ADR average daily range. It is not ATR. It is not about a average true range. It is a ADR average daily range. So here in this indicator, I seen there is a black line, so which shown here. So it is showing you some middle lines for the particular day also. I'm just looking whether we can keep that as a stop loss. Maybe I'm just checking it out, but it was giving us such a good result I was seeing. And one more stock like Adani Port also today, but both the stocks are performed well. But after this breakout in the first candle, so there is a huge move that was happening here today. And most of the time, if the first candle which closed above to the level, so some good result which is happening here that I'm seeing in this scanner. And by this particular ADR indicator. I think it is works based on the average range. So when the stock is broken that average range, there is a chances for a trend continuation. Or if the stock which is trading a reversal at that higher level. So maybe sometimes they are seeing as this as a supply zone, or this as the green one as a demand zone. Something like also happened when it is came to the demand zone or this supply, sorry, in the lower level, and it was started reversing back. But what I'm thinking over, if I'm able to create this scanner in our charting, then it would be easy to find out one or two trades based on our Google sheet and just tracking this. I'm not randomly check from my list. We know well we are using our Google sheet for our positional trading or intraday. So today I'm watching that intraday sheet. What are the stocks in the top? I seen Hindu Petro, Adani Enterprise, and Adani Port in the top list by the opening itself. And sometimes BPCL, I was checking BPCL also be in the top in the morning, but I just look at this one, and that time BPCL not broken that level in the 15 minutes. Yeah, BPCL it broken and closed, and another one Ambuja Cement, I think. So let me check. It was not broken when it is broken. So Ambuja Cements also by the opening itself it was broken, and it was giving you good result. I seen one stock that was not broken, but it was in the top. So which one that I don't remember this. But one of the stock I just looking at, it was in the top list of this particular intraday scanner, but that was not in this particular levels. It was inside between. So I'm that also I just in live market checked, and maybe this level. So we can utilize for a reversal as well as breakout. I think it is looking good. And if you are finding such a good opportunity, and if any point of the time if we able to create that particular scanner in charting, so we can easily find out on a good opportunity. I think MCX, if we check MCX, I think MCX also in the first candle, it's a huge move, and it is giving you the breakout, and after that it went up, and such a intraday profit which we can look for if it is created by this scanner. And some of the stock I forgot, or I don't remember that, so I seen it was not moving about to that level. The MCX. So that was looking good. So what I'm exactly looking for, there is a two levels of ADR 10 and ADR 5. ADR 10 or ADR 5. Okay, and it's about higher level, and ADR average daily range 5 and 10, the lower level. So the second level, whichever is higher, if the level is broken, there is such a good move that is happening in quick. So we can use in the first 15 minutes after if it is breaks, and if it is closed, that may be a good opportunity which we are looking for. So this indicator and trading view which is available, and one more indicator ADR. So if I'm searching for ADR indicator, so a lot of things which is available, but average daily range, this is the one more indicator. I think we can't, it's a free version, I can't able to add one more thing, so I'll remove that. So ADR, the daily range is about like let me see, like histogram, not histogram, it's like an average. The ADR is greater than previous peaks. That time there is a movement which is happening. Daily also we can check. This looks like an guitar. This is also working perfect. Stocks. Okay. So from that top, it was moving lower, but not at broken. Maybe first we can create that particular scanner, And if you are finding the scanner on trading view, you can also just let me update. But first of all, I'm going to try to create the scanner for a breakout, and maybe Atul or Tata Communication for a downside, whether it is working. I'm not checking this one. I think you look at yesterday, 24th, that is Friday, the first candle it is closed above. That is a good move. At this point, first candle is greater than, but doesn't move. But here is a rejection, and here it is not moving, and here is again a rejection. So how to use it? So we need to create some idea how to use this indicator. So once we create in charting, and also from this list, I find this Adani and Ambuja Cement. Let me check Ambuja Cement. I've seen it was not broken that level, it was trading inside. And whatever the stock in the top that was giving you such a good move. So after particular level is broken. So this was a level which is broken. And after that, it was giving you such a good result. And few days is 22nd, there is a good one. So only we have to plan for that level to break above. Once it is crossed and closed above, so we can try for an opportunity. So that we are looking for good trade in this particular scanner. Okay, so I hope you understood. So it may be a trial one, so which you are going to try to create that particular scanner. Once we created that, so it may be helping you to for intraday trades also. But as of now, this indicator is quite looking good for a breakout for an intraday. So I'm watching some stocks that was moving well, and yesterday BHEL that was performing well. So maybe at least 1 or 2 days we need to try for this. And I tried for this formula ADR indicator. I searched a lot more, so I'm not getting a perfect thing. But I'm reading that one. So we got here also be the breakdown and the reversal points. Both they are considering, and they divide in the levels into many. But we have two levels that was working, and many more thing is not available. I searched it for, and ADR indicator in trading view, some of the indicators also available, but it is, looks not good. Here also you can see something like the 5 days ADR. I used 5 days and 10 days. It depends on the scanner or depend on that particular indicator. So only few videos which is available, and also few article which is available. So like this is what a formula we are trying for creating this in our trading view chart. Looks like a 15 days ADR, and ADR today, something like breakout and trend reversal. Both we can try for this, and if it is works, so we will use this indicator for our intraday breakout trading also. I hope you understand. You can also search, and if you have any information about this particular indicator, just let me share on the chat box or comment box. And thank you so much. Maybe this indicator that will work for our intraday trade. So let me create on. First of all, we need to create that one in our charting. Once we create it, then we move forward. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching this video. And if you have liked it, please hit the like button and share to your friends. And if you have any questions and doubt, just comment in the comment box. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching.